Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Now of course guys, if you have an Imperial TV, you can see this is an Imperial TV, the logo is right here. And of course this is the remote. You can see the Imperial branded right here as well. Now of course if you have these TVs guys, like an Android device, they must be kept up to date and optimally working. So if for example your TV is starting to get slow, especially after using YouTube and apps after a while, it's recommended guys that you take care of your device, and once you take care of your device you need to run it optimally. All right, so in order to, if your device is slowing down or just for a regular upkeep, I suggest that you do the following. All right, so this is a Imperial TV with Google TV built in. Now of course you're gonna go down. Once you go down here guys, you'll see that we have some apps. Now this is a default app that's built into the TV that will allow you to control the TV. All right, so if you go over, you'll see a bunch of stuff. If you look right here, you'll notice this one here, that's right here, like a rocket that says TV manager. Go into TV manager. All right, so this is your TV manager for your Imperial TV, and it's quite nice. Notice it shows you the available RAM, 471 available, and of course it shows a total of 1.50 gigabytes, and it shows the available storage as well. It's good to keep some amount of storage, so not to fill up the storage that's on your device. Notice, and this TV is brand new, it says storage available is 6.52. so right out the box, after updating, I have 6.52 gigabytes remaining. I have 16 gigabytes. That gives me about 10 gigabytes. So do not fill up these TVs with all kind of apps. It's best to keep things manageable. So you see the system, which is the default operating system, which is 8.79 gig. Application and data, meaning apps, is 549 megabytes, which is not bad. And other is 144 megabytes. Notice the memory, 69% use, trash, and running apps. So it's good to optimize. So every now and again you're going to come in here, select optimize. Notice it's scanning and optimizing. It will clean up the TV. So after use, especially you see your TV is going down, go ahead and optimize. Notice it cleans up everything. You can do a memory boost specifically. You can clean, you can uninstall apps, you can do a network speed test. So everything is here for your convenience. All right, so the memory boost will boost memory specifically, meaning if you just want to boost memory, it will clear memory, so memory is being run. See, and you can do more specific stuff relating to your programs and so on. You can specifically clean. There's not much trash here, so if you find trash you can clean. You can uninstall apps to free up space, and you can do a network speed test. So it's all here. All right, so just showing you this as an essential feature to know for your TV. Do hope this was useful, and so I was Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you just how to clean up your TV. And of course, as I was showing you, there is uninstall apps, so you can, if you have any apps installed, you can uninstall it. There's none here except the defaults. The default apps cannot be uninstalled, so if you're looking to uninstall stuff like the YouTube, Prime Video, and Netflix, those are default and you cannot uninstall those. Alright, so in this tutorial here, do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.